How to make your teeth whiter without destroying your enamel. The long-term game plan to a healthy white smile. 1. Take dated photos of your smile so you can track your progress. You know we love feedback mechanisms as they give us an objective way to see our progress. Without feedback mechanisms like a photo, it's really tough to see the positive changes you are making. 2. Set a course. Read through this list below and decide what strategy you plan to use. Then give yourself 2 to 3 months and mark on your calendar the day to take your second, before-after, photo. Be sure to take the photos in the same location at the same time of day, for lighting purposes. 3. Whatever strategy you choose, be sure to know how to stop causing your teeth to dull so you can get a jump start on your natural whitening plan. After all, letting red wine or a green smoothie sit on your teeth while wanting to naturally whiten your teeth is taking 2 steps forward and 1 step back. Our favorite safe whitening strategies. 1. Oil pulling. Hands down, our favorite whitening strategy is oil pulling. Just in case you aren't familiar with oil pulling, here is an article we wrote several years ago detailing this old school detox protocol. The reason oil pulling is our favorite solution for naturally whitening our teeth is because unlike so many whitening strategies that have risks of damaging enamel and gum tissue, oil pulling actually helps reduce tooth decay and gingivitis. The downside to oil pulling is it does take some time as the protocol does traditionally suggest 20 minutes of actively swishing oil around your mouth. The reason oil pulling works to help whiten teeth is similar to what oil is doing in your car's engine. Think about it. When the oil in your car is changed, the clean oil going in is, well, clean. And the used oil that leaves your car is all gunky. That gunk is any waste from the engine running being gathered up and removed from the engine by the oil. The same goes for oil pulling. It's been scientifically proven that oil pulling helps to stop gum disease. And if you use coconut oil, you lower your risk of tooth decay too. A component of coconut oil, called monolaurin, has shown to be a very effective antimicrobial on the main bug implicated with tooth decay, strep mutans. 2. Baking soda. While some on the internet may argue that baking soda is too abrasive for regular use in the mouth, the science says that baking soda is actually pretty soft. In a recent article titled, "What's the safest and most effective abrasive for naturally whiter teeth?" we discussed a term called